2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS marks the triumphant return of an American legend, blending modern muscle car performance with nostalgic design cues. Revived after years of absence, the new Monte Carlo SS is built to compete with today's high-performance coupes while delivering comfort and technology for everyday driving. The 2025 Monte Carlo SS boasts an aggressive yet refined design, paying homage to its iconic predecessors. It features a long, sculpted hood, a low-slung stance, and a fastback-style roofline that enhances aerodynamics. The front fascia is dominated by a bold blacked-out grille with an illuminated Chevy bowtie emblem, flanked by sleek LED headlights. Wide fender flares accommodate large 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, while quad exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler complete the muscular look. Inside, Chevrolet blends retro-inspired elements with modern luxury. The cabin features premium materials such as suede, carbon fiber, and leather, with SS badging on the sport bucket seats. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster pairs with a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering Chevrolet's latest MyLink interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. Ambient lighting, a heads-up display, and wireless charging enhance the high-tech experience, while the driver-centric cockpit ensures optimal control and comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Monte Carlo SS is rumored to pack a 6.2L Supercharged V8, borrowed from the Camaro 1 Zelati, delivering 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Paired with either a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, this powerhouse sends power to the rear wheels, allowing for a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of around 3.5 seconds. An adaptive magnetic ride suspension, Brembo brakes, and a limited slip differential ensure that the Monte Carlo SS handles as well as it accelerates. For those looking for efficiency, a hybrid-assisted V6 variant could also be in the works. The return of the Monte Carlo SS in 2025 is a statement by Chevrolet: American muscle is far from dead. With a perfect blend of retro aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and mind-blowing performance, the Monte Carlo SS is set to rival modern muscle cars like the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat and Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Whether you're a longtime Monte Carlo enthusiast or a new generation driver seeking power and style, this reborn classic is ready to leave its mark on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more related content.